Hi, and in today's Microsoft tutorial I'm going to show you how to align your text left, right and in the centre of your document. So I've just got a default document up here and I'm just going to insert some random text. Okay, so as you can see, when you naturally type in Word, all of your text will be aligned to the left. If you want to change this and align everything to the right, simply highlight the text that you want to change. Make sure you're on the Home tab and go down to this section here. If you click on this icon here that says Align to Right, your text will all be aligned to the right hand side of your document. In the same way, if you want it in the centre, and just click on this icon here, Center Text. If you have an address bar, and you want to align this to the right, what will happen if I highlight my address and click Align to Right, the address will align to the right hand side here. If you want that alignment here, then you're going to have to do it manually. So what we do is we simply click on the first line and we hit the Tab key. And again with the second line, we do exactly the same with the third line and the fourth line. Now if we go to the end of here and press return, you'll see that my cursor ends up below the address bar here. And if we want to send it back over to the left hand side, we need to go back up to this icon here. Then sometimes you can click the left align, but that's already highlighted, so if I click on that nothing happens. So what I need to do is go up to this A icon here, clear all formatting, and click that and it will send it back to the left hand side. So that's just a quick and easy short video for you today. I hope it's helped. If it has, please subscribe and have a great day.